Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open the Google Pay app and make sure you are signed into the account that should receive the credit. Once signed in, navigate directly to the Offers or Promotions section. This is the entry point for codes. Make sure the app updated moments ago and your phone has a steady connection. Otherwise, the code validation will fail. Now tap Redeem Code, ready your coupon, and prepare to type each character exactly as shown, because accuracy matters for instant validation. Type the code carefully. Google Pay checks characters one by one, so do not paste invisible spaces. Once entered, press Validate or Apply. The app will display the credit amount and where it will post, for example, to your Google Pay balance or a gift card area. If the app asks for verification, follow the OTP or security prompt right away to avoid timeout. Make sure the credited destination is the account you intended. Then proceed to confirm the transaction so the system can commit the credit. After confirming, wait for the success message and note the transaction ID or screenshot the receipt for records. Check your activity or balance screen to verify the amount posted. Sometimes the update takes a few minutes, so refresh if needed. If the code fails, first make sure the code was typed exactly and the app is current. If still failing, sign out and sign in to the correct Google account or try redeeming on another device. If problems persist, contact Google Pay support with the transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.